Good day, everyone. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig, and now we are on to our first assessment for Module 1, Robotics. So, our problem is Arduino test. Testing Arduino by blinking an LED that is connected directly to the board. So, the materials to be used are one Arduino Uno, one USB A to B cable, one LED 5 millimeters, and 220 ohms resistor. So now let's go to our Tinkercad. So as the materials to be listed, we have Arduino Uno. Okay, let me set this up. Next is USB A to B cable. So this one is it. Next is LED 5 millimeter. So this one is it. And then 220 ohms resistor. Okay, so this one is in kilo ohms, so we'll just change it to ohms and type 220. Okay, now first the LED has cathode and anode. So for the cathode, we need to have this one connected to the ground, or we call as GND. Since it is said that it is directly to the board, so we direct it to the board, to the Arduino. So we shall change it first to its corresponding color. We will have the ground every time black, okay? So now we have black for the ground. Now we have the 220 ohms resistor. So we'll connect it here. Wait, let me adjust this thing. Connect it here. And then towards the anode is to be connected to the terminal 2, and then the terminal 1 is to connect it to any of these direct numbers. So we shall connect it to D10. Let's change the colors first. Now let's go to our coding. Okay, so I shall remove these things first. Next is, let's have the void setup. Pin mode. Pin mode. Uh, in the pin mode, we shall have the number that we pick. So we have 10. So let's go for 10. And then output. And then don't forget the semicolon for the function. Next is, we'll have the void loop. After that, we shall have the digital write. My bad. And then the corresponding number 10, then high, then semicolon, delay, we shall have it 500. Next is, we can also copy this one and change it, the high to low. After that, we shall also copy this one. I guess, wait. Always remember that, I think this is brace. So always remember to put brace after each function. Now, let's start the simulation. Oh, wait. It is expected to. Ah, I see. I see. Wait. Let's put. Oh no. Here. I guess they should do it. There we go. Let us observe. Again, 500. And every second for the simulator time, there will be two times that the LED will light up because in every second there is 1000 for delay. But we put there 500, so 1000 divided by 500 equals 2. So that's all for our first module assignment, module 1 assessment 1. And thank you for watching. So this is my Tinkercad account. That's all. Thank you.